That composting toilet back there at Happy Acres was pretty interesting.
What'd you call it?
Happy Acres.
I thought you called it hippie camp.
Hippie camp, yeah, hippie camp, Happy Acres. They were growing, I don't know if it's hemp or cannabis or what. But
yeah, the parking lot, across from the parking lot,
there's several.
Marijuana growing.
There's
a
several
little
fields
garden
of
of
marijuana.
Yeah. Well, you know, Hotchkiss is known for its organic farming, wine country, and of course when you think organic, you think there might, if you're in Colorado, you might run across some marijuana farms.
Don't panic, man. It's organic.
Pretty, oh my goodness.
I love it. I'm so glad we came this way.
Me too. And it's nice and cool up here. It's not real hot.
It's so worth the extra, what was it?
Hour and a half, you said, or something
like that.
Yeah,
it's like extra 100 miles, something like that.
Yeah, but we're on vacation, and the whole point of being on a motorcycle road trip is to see the sights and experience nature, in my point of view at least.
Yeah.
You can't do that if you take Interstate Highway to your destination, you know?
Yeah.
It's much funner taking the back way.
I'm with the back roads biker guy. Take the back road. Woo! Here's a turn. They kind of sneak up on you. I get bedazzled by the scenery, and whoa, there's a turn here.
You gotta watch. Keep your eye on the curve.
There was a sign back there that said motorcyclists use extreme caution.
Did it? Oh, really? I missed that. Where was it?
It was back before that turnout, that scenic turnout.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that. Motorcyclists use extreme caution.
Probably because they're gawking.
Extreme caution.
Extreme. Caution extreme.
These are nice curves. I like these curves better than $1 Million Highway curves. I don't know why, but I think I was so tired yesterday.
It was rainy.
Yeah, it's wet and sleeting. And
I don't mind riding in the rain too much, but I don't want to stop. It's not like an enjoyable thing, you know?
Yeah.
I'm a kind of a grumpy old man. You get me wet, I'm getting mad.
Well, I was grumpy too.
Yeah, I can tell. I'm just talking about me.
We were both tired and grumpy.
Yeah.
And wet. Well, we weren't that wet. I mean, we put on our after we put on our rain gear.
My butt got wet because I didn't put on my rain gear suit enough.
Yeah, you didn't put on your rain gear pants.
So I had a wet ass.
You thought that the rain was going to stop.
It's hard for me to be happy when I have wet feet and a wet ass. I just had a wet ass yesterday.
I would be unhappy too. That would suck. I put on all my rain gear except the booties because you put snow seal on our boots. My feet didn't get wet at all. But yours did?
My feet didn't get wet, it's my butt.
Oh, I thought you said your feet were wet.
Well, there when it got through, there's a bug flying around me. Curve. In the hot part, my feet started sweating.
Oh.
It was like, in the direct sunlight, I thought it got pretty hot. I don't know what the actual air temperature was. Down in the low areas, not up high.
Yeah. It's funny how quickly the temperatures change when you come down that mountain.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we were at like 49 degrees at the lowest that I could tell. And then we get down to Ridgeway, and it's back up to 80 or 90, or it was 80, I think in the 80s. Did you sleep okay last night?
Yeah, except for the dang cricket music you're playing. Holy smokes.
Well, I forgot to bring in my headset.
I don't know how you sleep with that noise going on.
I have to drown out the snoring.
To me, snoring makes me sleepy. Those are pretty wildflowers.
That is pretty.
Yeah, I grew up with a bunch of snoring people, so I hear snoring, I'm like, oh, it's time to go to bed.
Yeah. And I know I snort, but you don't seem to be bothered by it.
Oh, that's a little dippy dip there.
Oh, that hurt.
Oh, that's nice.
Here's some nice views coming up.
Five.
Use extreme caution.
Extreme.
Pretty.
It's absolutely gorgeous. I might slow down just to look more. Because I'm sure I go around this corner, it's going to be like a huge snow-covered mountain looking at me. Well, maybe not. We must be coming out of the canyon now.
Yeah.